Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Disney Plus application on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in Download Disney Plus and click on Enter. Now, scroll down a little and you can see the Microsoft link here. Click on this link. After that, you will be directed to Microsoft Store. Now, click on Download button here. After the download is completed, you will get the installer like this. Click on it. So, that is how you can download Disney Plus application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.